So welcome back to another episode of the Bricky Boy Outdoors, and today we're gonna go travel to Mississippi. And fish the world's smallest pond. It's gonna be a very small pond. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you're probably gonna catch a lot on the crawl. Yeah, they do. Dude, we go frog fishing tonight. Nice frog though. You wanna look tonight for bullfrogs? Got one. Oh, he came off. Nice. First bite. I was not expecting that, guys. I just got a bite. Was not expecting that. Oh, but I got one, guys. Sweet. That's a little dink, though. There's a lot of dinks in this pond, but there's some fish. I just missed one, but Bo got one now. On the crawl. First fish on the crawl. Oh, there he is. Let me get him. Oh no, he's going to get away. There we go, guys. A fish on the crawl for Bo. I just missed one on the frog, but Bo just caught one on the crawl. So that's good to go. There's going to be a lot of dinks for fishing the world's smallest pond. Dude, I just got a bite too. But I won't get another bite. Yeah, first cast though. I got one on the frog. A bite. That's good for the crawl and frog. Snuck up on some 4 1-pounders. So we saw 4 1-pounders, and we're just gonna see if we can sneak up on them again. Luke has one. Luke has one. Got one. Sorry it's at night, y'all. It's at night? Yeah. No, Luke has one. On the frog. Yep. We get a lot of bites. Yeah, it's at night. We're gonna look. We're trying to get some. There goes nice fish. Yep, nice fish right there. Are we gonna give him a good release? He's gonna go. Oh, there's a bite. There goes, got a little bluegill.
That's it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed fishing the world's smallest pond. It was really hard because it was super small, and when you throw your bait in, they kind of like know that you're there, and they'll quit biting. So that's why we only caught 2 fish. Well, actually 2 fish, 2 bass and 1 brim. So it was kind of tough fishing it. We saw some there's a lot of 1-pounders, got a few bites, but the problem is it's country and they don't really hear anything. So when they hear like us talking or walking, they know there's something up. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Hope y'all enjoyed.